After the camper conversion of my Caddy is more or less complete now, I want to make some changes to the cockpit. In this first part I will start to remove all the interior trims in a very detailed manner for anyone who wants to do the same. You should start in a certain order, as a lot of the interior trims hold onto each other and will be very hard to remove otherwise. Start by removing the strap above the seat belt, the screw of the overhead storage, the grab handle screws and the upper seat belt bolt on each side. Afterwards, remove the sun visor. Next, the sun visor's clips, which are covered by a lid, you have to remove before unscrewing them. Then pop out the reading lights cover, remove the 2 screws, unplug it and remove 2 more screws. Remove 2 more clips and the headliner comes loose. On the driver's side door sill trim, you will have to remove the engine hood lever first, via this small clip. The seatbelt covers unclip like so. Loosen the seat bolts, unclip everything and take out the seat. And then unscrew the seat subframe. On the driver's side you will have to remove the gas pedal by undoing this bolt and pulling it out. Then you can pull out the whole carpet. As the air outlets on the rear are blocked due to my conversion, I cut the air channels and later on let them come out the dash to double the heating in the front. Cut off the old liner and pull the 2 foam pieces apart. Remove the mirror very carefully. Take out the light bulbs, pop off the cover and unclip the microphone. Then pull out the little spring and retainer thingy to remove the slider. For the grab handles, pull out the screws covers and get some needle nose pliers to grab the pin and push it out. On the spring side, try to push the spring aside to get your pliers onto the pin. I hope this video is helpful for someone. Go subscribe for the next episode, in which I will paint all the trims and install starlights to the headliner. Cheers!